Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, have 1/3 cup of melted butter or oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious loaf. Now let's get mixing. Start by mashing your 3 to 4 ripe bananas in a large bowl until they are mostly smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of melted butter or oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a third bowl, combine your dry ingredients, 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Keep these separate for now. It's time to bring it all together. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to the wet banana mixture, folding gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Pour the batter evenly into a greased 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Place it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Your delicious banana bread is almost ready. Once out of the oven, let it cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set and prevents it from breaking. Then, carefully transfer the warm loaf to a wire rack to cool completely before slicing and serving. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.